Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is George Mandel. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, a member of prosperous Jewish family, thought no related to the Rothschild banking dynasty, Mandel served on the personal staff of Premier Georges Clemenceau from 1906 to 1909 and again from 1917 to 1920. He also served as a deputy in the National Assembly from 1919 to 1924 and from 1928 to 1940. Friends, Mandel was a conservative and was strongly opposed to the policies of the left, but he was equally opposed to the pro-German policies of many conservatives between World War I and II. He served as a Minister of Posts in four successive governments 1934 to 1936 and as a Minister of Colonies from April 1938 to May 1940. Friends, when Premier Paul Renaud transferred him to Ministry of Interior in May and June 1940, he supported Renaud, who advocated continuing to fight the Germans from the French colonies in Africa. Friends, he was regarded as the father of genetics. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.